Hi, I'm Puya from bbqs.ca, and we're looking at a Weber Genesis 2 LX S-440 today. The Genesis 2 LX comes in 2-burner, a 3-burner, 4 that we have in front of us, as well as a 6-burner. Specific model comes either in stainless steel or black lid. It has light mounted on the handle of all the units, which is motion activated. As the lid opens up, the light turns on, and just put the lid back down, the light shuts off. We have 4 individually controlled burners with their own ignition system that is automated as you turn the knob, as well as a booster burner on all 4. You start from the low to the high, and then the boost burner increases the amount of gas going into the burner by 25%, which allows you to warm up the barbecue faster, also utilize it for winter barbecuing, or creating a sear zone, which allows you to sear your steak and meat faster on the sear stations that you can create. The knobs are also controlled by a light, so that you can utilize that for night barbecuing, and a traditional side burner that's controlled by the knob on the side burner. Stainless steel cooking grids, as well as flavorizer bar and stainless steel burner, available also in natural gas or propane on all models. bbqs.ca, your source for grills and accessories.